Hello. So this is my very first video of my lock journey. Very exciting. So I am starting out with freshly washed hair. I dried it overnight and I'm just currently taking out the twists to begin parting the sections. So it's currently 12:30 p.m. in the afternoon on Thursday the 26th of January, and well, you guys are going to see how long it took for me to do my hair because this whole style in itself was a journey. So I started off by parting my hair from ear to ear, going above my head, and as you can see the parting is all right. It's not how I wanted it to be, but I definitely did clean it up after. There you go, you can see me doing it now. You're going to hear me say later on in the video, but I was really pedantic about my parts just because I thought if I'm going to be doing locks and I'm going to have this style for as long as possible, I really want to be happy with it, you know? So that's why I took my time. So I already had a middle part in from my previous style. I had a protective style in for about a month. I had crochet twists, so it was already in a middle part, which was good, but I just wanted to clean it up and make it crisp. When I tell you I tried so hard to make sure that these partings were perfect, majority of them were actually pretty straight, but at some point during doing this style I was like, do you know what, the only thing that's perfect is God, so let me not be worrying too much. So after I sectioned off the front of my hair, I started with the back. I used my rat tail comb just to make sure that the back of my hair was pretty straight. I know people tend to not really care too much about the back of the hair just because who's really going to see it, but I'm aware that with locks, if you don't start them right, they won't grow right. So I just wanted to make sure that everything was tidy and straight, just the way I needed it to be. My neck was in bits by then. But yeah, now I'm just figuring out what size I wanted my locks to be, because the thing is with my hair, no matter how small I find, I part my hair and twist it, my twist will always be thick just because my hair is really thick. So I was just determining how big I actually wanted my locks to be. And then once I found the size that I was okay with, which wasn't too small and wasn't ginormous, I just clipped my sections away and I used the Murray's Beeswax Natural Lock Moulding Paste, which smells just like the Edge Control if anybody has smelt it before. And I just put it on my roots and all throughout my hair, and then I parted these sections diagonally and just began twisting them. And as you'll see, as I keep twisting, I do add a little bit more moulding paste to the ends of my hair just to make sure that they're secure. So I pretty much repeated the whole thing throughout the whole of my head. I'm not going to show you all of it because I just wanted to crack on with my hair, but I did want to show you highlights, which is why you can see me doing the section above the very first one that I did. Update, I have finished the back of my hair, which is great. It's currently 2 minutes past midnight and I'm gonna finish it. I don't like stopping and starting, I just like getting everything done. But for those of you who want to see the back of my head, this is what it's currently looking like. took a long time to do my parts, just because I was quite, what's the word? Pedantic about how they looked. I really wanted them to look, can you guys see them? I really wanted them to look nice. But I like it, I really like this size. And I was worried because whenever I do small twists, usually, because my hair is so thick, the twists get like really big. And that's what I didn't want. I didn't want big locks. I just wanted like small to medium, but I didn't want micro locks, but I wanted mini twists, if that makes sense. And I feel like I've achieved that. I really, really like it. My hair looks really full at the back, which is great. I'm very excited. But what I will say, my experience using this Murray's Natural Lock molding paste, actually very good. A little goes a long way. Like it was, the top of it was like full, and this, I've only used this much to do the back of my head. Like a little goes a long way. I noticed that even when I was putting it on my hair, when it came to separate the strands to twist it, they had already like started sticking together. So I was like, okay, let me move quick. But no, this is really good, and it feels like it just melts in my hand. Like there's no residue, there's no flaking. It just feels really light and nice. So I'm glad that I purchased this. I specifically went with Murray's because I have used their edge control in the past, and I find that that's the only edge control that works on my hair. So I trusted the brand. But yes, I'm gonna finish my tea and then finish the last bit of my hair. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Alright, so now I'm going to start working on the front of my hair. I had to take my glasses off for this because they would have just got in the way. So as you can see, I kind of wanted to continue on the lines that I had on the side of my head into the front. So I parted the first section at the front in the same line, just going all around my head, just for continuity. But what you'll notice as I did those first two twists at the front is that they were really, really thin. And at first I was just going to leave them, but I thought, no, that this is unacceptable. Because how can I have these nice looking twists around the whole of my head, and at the front there's just bits of straw, like that could not run. But what I did, and you'll see in a bit, is when I did the section above the straw twists, that's what we're gonna call them, I just ended up combining them with the ones above, and I'm really happy with how they turned out. So I'm just gonna be quiet for a bit and let you watch me twist my hair, and then I'll come back towards the end. I'm finally finished. I'm finished locking my hair. Yay! It's 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm really not in the mood to count my locks, so that will have to be a separate video. But I am done. I don't even know how long it took. All I know is that I started at roughly 12:30 p.m. yesterday and it's now 5 a.m. the next day. So, but to be fair, I did do some stuff in between and had like 3 breaks or something like that, but this has taken me forever. I'm just very glad that I won't have to twist my hair again, or as long as I want locks for. But this is exciting. It's my new journey. Currently 8:45 in the morning. I have barely had any sleep, so this will not take long. But this is my satin bonnet I got from Amazon. Let's see my hair. Oh my goodness. Okay, day 1 locks. The journey begins. This is exciting. I don't know if I'm going to say it in the voiceover or just say it here, but my hair, just for those who are curious, it is type 4, very thick, low porosity hair. And I really like it. Friday the 27th of January is the start of my journey. I am loving it. Okay, cool. I'm not gonna touch it too much. I like touching my hair when it looks nice, so I'm gonna try not to do that. Let's see what the twist is saying. Okay, I think I should be taking pictures with a different colour top, so bear with. Okay, so that is it. That's the end of the video. Video 1 of hopefully many. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Hope you have a wonderful morning, afternoon or evening, wherever you're watching me from in the world. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!